Hello everyone, let's talk about the UpBright 12V AC-DC adapter, specifically designed as a compatible power solution for the DigiMedia LT-070S TV LCD monitor. If you've been searching for a replacement or spare adapter, this one might be worth considering. First off, it's a global adapter, meaning it supports a wide input voltage range from 100 to 240 VC at 50-60 Hz. This is particularly useful if you travel or have different voltage standards in your home. You won't need to worry about voltage converters. The UpBright adapter also incorporates several protection features. It has OVP, or over voltage protection, which safeguards your DigiMedia monitor from voltage spikes. OCP, or overcurrent protection, prevents excessive current from damaging the device. And SCP, short circuit protection, kicks in to prevent damage in case of short circuit. These are important safety nets that can extend the life of your monitor. The product description states that each unit is tested before shipping, which is always reassuring. It suggests a certain level of quality control. The adapter is also described as being in great working condition upon arrival. UpBright offers a 30-day refund policy and a 24-month exchange program. This warranty period provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if any issues arise within the first 2 years. The adapter is black and uses a barrel connector, which is standard for many small electronics. It weighs around 6 ounces, so it's fairly lightweight and won't add much bulk to your setup. In summary, the UpBright 12V AC-DC adapter appears to be a reliable and safe power solution for the DigiMedia LT-070S TV LCD monitor. The global voltage compatibility, built-in protection features, and warranty make it a strong contender if you're in the market for a replacement adapter.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.